Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about PSE Mining, the latest update. We will check the application, we will check the mining, even we will check some other updates about this project. Like their contract address is coming soon, even we will talk about 28 March update. Further, we will talk about crypto code. Big things are coming in the future. I can say this project can give you profit. This project can be like ICE network, listing inside top exchanges. So further we will talk about the KYC because KYC is available. Make sure to verify your account. As you can see, my account is already verified. So don't skip any part of the video. Let's talk about this project. Let's talk about the latest update, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale project, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So okay guys, welcome to PSE Mining application. If still you did not join this project, make sure the link is below in description. Even you can see my invitation code on the screen. Make sure to install the application inside your mobile phone and then use my invitation code in order to get the bonus. So you can see for now my team members 503 and this is my token 5700. So per hour I'm getting 3 tokens. Okay, you can see about the rewards, you can see about the bonus, you can get bonus in here. So further, if I show you about the KYC, user KYC, so my account is already verified. You can see your account has been verified. Simply upload your CNIC photo, passport photo, and then driving license. So any ID documents, so and then complete the KYC verification. Okay, so let's talk about the latest update. If we go back to Twitter account, this is the PSE, total followers 52,000. Okay, now you can see this is amazing update about this project. Exciting news for PSE miners. So mark your calendars, 28 March 2024. The moon year for PSE miners. Okay, following our roadmap, the PSE team is thrilled to announce the contract address release on this historic date, 28 March 2024. So we will see the contract address of this project. We will see the contract address of the token on 28 March 2024. So make sure stay tuned because even big news are coming about this project. So attention PSE miners, so let's ensure a secure and compliant environment. Please state in the comment box below whether you are a verified KYC user or an unverified KYC user. So from 100%, 85% already completed their KYC verification. KYC is very simple, not like ICE network. Only just submit your ID documents, nothing else. So 85% already completed the KYC verification, only 15% is remaining. So exciting news, our servers are constantly at work, ensuring seamless updates for our users. PSE miners are the backbone of our project and we deeply appreciate your dedication. Keep mining is strong. So of course the teams are doing very well. Even you can see if you start the mining, if you invite your friends, you will get bonus. Of course you will get bonus if you invite your friends, if you invite your families. So share your referral link, let them to join this application, you will get bonus. So if you go back, you can see this is one of the important updates about the listing. So hello PSE miners, which exchange should list PSE first? What do you think? Whether decentralized exchange, centralized exchange? Because exchange listing is coming soon. So like you can see ICE network listed inside top exchanges, KuCoin, OKX, BitGet, even Binance listing is also coming in the future. So further ICE network, they are going to launch their open mainnet. You can see the open mainnet testnet, somehow the video inside their official Twitter account. So exchange listing is coming about PSE. So what do you think? Which exchange can list this project? So I can say somehow MEXC, Bitmod, and then we have Get.io. They are going to list this project. This is the crypto credit card of PSE. So exciting news, PSE Mining is thrilled to announce the upcoming launch of the PSE Crypto Credit Card at the end of 2024. So at the end of this year, we will see the credit card of this mining. It means that this project can give you profit in this year. Still you have time. If still you did not join this application, you are not late. You did not miss anything. You can start from now. You can start from today. So at the end of this year, we will see the credit card, we will see exchange listing, we will see open mainnet, distribution, everything. Because big things are coming in the future. So finally, 150,000 users created account. They are mining this project. So this is not a huge amount, only a small amount. It means that you're early in this project. Once we reach 1 million users, once we reach 3 million users, so on that time we will be in a profit. On that time we will have thousands of token, hundreds of token. So make sure to start the mining. This is a new project. This is one of the best project. If you don't know about this, the link is in I button. Make sure watch the video, because inside that video completely I just gave the review of this project. This is amazing update. This is one of the best update. You know, from 72.5% of the total tokens inside the mining. So already 25.2% of the tokens have been successfully mined. So 72.5%, from 72.5%, 25.2% is already mined. It means that somehow I can say 48%, 47% is remaining. Once we completely mine 78%, and then we will see the distribution, we will see the exchange listing, we will see the open mainnet. So this was all about PSE token, the latest update. Make sure follow its official Twitter account, because you will get all the updates in here. And then make sure to start the mining. So this is my invitation code, and then the link is below in the description. Make sure check this project, make sure to start the mining. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.